Hi guys, just a quick reminder to please subscribe to my new YouTube channel, Talks with Deezer. Talks with Deezer. The link to my new channel is in the description of this video, or you can just type in Talks with Deezer, the channel will come up. Guys, I just want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed already. I really appreciate the love and support. Guys, the video has got great views on there, over 1,600 views. So please, can you all help me from Datmisa TV? Please go over to my new channel, hit the subscribe button. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. You know that's any YouTuber's goal, to get to 1,000 subscribers so that I can become monetized. Yeah, so please, I'm asking you to support my channel. If you've watched the video and you've not pressed the subscribe button, please subscribe. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And as soon as I hit the 1,000 subscribers mark, there's Mr. Outlaw. As soon as I hit the 1,000 subscribers mark, I will be dropping the new video. Outlaw, come here. What do you say to the people about Talks with Deezer? What must they do?
Yes, please. You know, we're transparent, so you need to talk with Deezer.
Please do. Yeah, you need to talk with me, right?
You need to talk,
guys. This channel, I'm very vulnerable. I'm very open. I let my guard down, and I've been talking up some of the things there, right? Some of my experiences in life. So it's very personal, but it's also a very special channel to me. So please help us get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for all the love and support so far. Talks with Deezer.
That is it.
Okay.
Yeah. Never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling me this. Hey, drop. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
So what's the manners and prayers? Give thanks to life. Welcome back to the channel.
Hey everybody, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so we're taking you on a trip with us today. So we're working today, we're doing a tour, and yeah, so we're going to Trelawney right now to pick up our customer, our client, and then they want to spend the day in Ocho Rios. But the thing about it is, we brought them to Ocho Rios yesterday. So they spent the day in Ocho Rios yesterday, loved it, and said, can you pick me up tomorrow and bring me back to Ocho Rios to spend the day again? So we're going to pick them up again, bring them back to Ocho Rios for a second day, and yeah, so this is just a typical day in our life as tour people, tour operators, tour guides, whatever you want to call it, right? And show you what we get up to as we take our customer on another tour. Right, so the first stop is the pudding shop. Yes, but the funny thing, guys, I never actually buy pudding when I come here. Can you see the all the pudding being baked outside? It's a famous pudding shop in Priory. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, I never get pudding when I come here, even though they do good cornmeal pudding. I always get fritters, saltfish fritters. Yeah. Ooh. Outlaw. So did you get me my fritters?
Yeah, I get some fritters and 2 pieces of potato.
Okay.
I'm gonna left a potato.
Fried potato.
Yeah. Something natural from there.
So here we have some saltfish fritters, and then Outlaw got some fried sweet potato. Yeah, I'm gonna look forward to that. Right. Guys, it's not even funny, but guys, look what happened. So you guys know that we're on our way to Trelawney, right? To go and pick up some people, to pick up some guests, to take them on a tour today. Look what happened, guys.
Things do happen.
Yeah. About to get jacked up. Yeah, car shut down. So, we were on our way. We stopped off at the shop, and then when Outlaw got in the car, it wouldn't start. It just wouldn't start. So it's a starter. I think that's the problem. But there were warning signs. Guys, there were warning signs. And I wasn't best pleased with Outlaw when the car could not start. Because it's been giving problem. You know, like you turn the ignition and it doesn't start first time. You've got to turn it again. So he already knew there were some issues. But we had other things to sort out on the car. So yeah, so it means, I mean, this doesn't happen to us at all. But it means that now... we're still going to be late to pick up the person that we're meant to pick up. We've let them know and they've been very understanding because these things do happen, as Outlaw said. But now we had to find somebody to tow the car, bring it to like a garage. The good thing is that the car stopped in Runaway Bay, right in like where all the shops are and everything. All the supermarkets are, the shops, mechanics, everything like that. So that was a good thing. It was walking distance to like the mechanic and everything like that. So obviously things take time, but this is where we are, and this is the situation right now. It's life, isn't it? This is it. So let's hope we can get done soon, and then we can be on our way. Yeah. Guys, you can't make this ish up. Like, you cannot make this up. The guy who's meant to be working on the car, right? Jacked it up. Somebody else came in about an air conditioning issue on their van, their bus, and like he's gone to go and do something else. Like, you can't make this up. Like, I tell you, the place frustrates me on a daily basis. Honestly, it just frustrates me on a daily basis. Like, there's a principle, isn't there? Do you know what I mean? If you started on somebody's thing first, you just you know, carry it out, finish what you're doing, you know. Oh, Jesus, man, I tell you, guys, if you're thinking of coming here, just make sure your patience level is up there. The man started, he's jacked up Outlaw's car, right? You see here, jacked it up. Somebody else has come with an air conditioning issue on their van or their bus, and he's left this to go and deal with that. What kind of slackness is that? What kind of foolishness is that? Like, you started doing the job on this and our vehicle, then you just finish it. That person came after us. Then you go over there. You don't start jack up this and then you go and do somebody else's work and then you want to come back here. We've got people waiting on us. It's not even that, it's just not professional and it's just not a good look. And it's just so frustrating to me, like, it's so frustrating to me. Guys, let me tell you something. I love Jamaica, you know, but it just... I just get so frustrated sometimes. I get so frustrated sometimes with this type of foolishness. You understand? Like, do peace here, they do peace there, they do peace there. If you're doing a job, you just finish your job and then move on to the next thing. Worse, we were here first. Outlaw's gone on, I think he's gone to the shop, so he's not even here to see what's what. There's no sense of urgency, there's no sense of, you know, priority, there's no sense of, just, you know, order, then, you know, let me do your work first because you were here first, and then let me do the other person's first. But anyway, welcome to Jamrock. Guys, if you're thinking of moving here, I'm not putting you off, you know, but listen, just make sure you have a whole heap of patience, okay? Because boy, your patience will be tested on a daily basis. Anyway, guys. Okay, guys, we are on the road again.
Yeah, things do happen.
Alright, so this is how many hours later? 2:30. So when did we, about 9:15, 9:30ish? 9, 10, 11, 12, 1,
Yeah, boy,
so 5 hours after the car would not start, we are on the road again. So it's taken 5 hours. Guys, the mechanic was literally across the road from where we broke down. Literally across the road, which is a blessing. But we had to get towed across the road. And the rope that the pickup truck was using to tow us kept breaking. So it broke about 3 times. Three times. Yeah. Anyway, we got across the road. Yeah. I had my moment, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I had a bit of I was going through a little bit of a breakdown at one point.
I just stuck on myself, you know. Yeah.
Guys, I was going through a little bit of a breakdown, and I started saying all kind of manner of things. No bad language, but you know, just expressing my frustration with getting things done. Yeah. And Outlaw was just like, yeah. He didn't say anything. He was just like, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? just go spill oil in the fire with something right now.
Yeah.
So just leave it alone, you know.
It just left it alone.
Yeah.
I was on one. I was on one, good and proper. I ain't gonna lie. Because let me tell you why I was on one, yeah. And I put a little clip of this because the man said the mechanic came over because we'd broken down in a plaza, in a car parking lot. The guy came over and looked at it and said, yes, it's the starter, but the kind of car that we have, the starter, you can't just knock it like some. You have to go underneath. He has to go underneath the car basically. And he said it doesn't work. What? On the roadside?
No.
That's first red flag number one. I understand not working at the roadside, but let me tell you what the red flag was. So we got the car towed over. When we got over there, he jacks up the car, right? So he's thinking, okay, yeah, you know, you're gonna jack up the car, get it sorted, we're gonna be on a move soon. No, people. He jacks up the car, takes off the side, jacks up the car, and then goes on to somebody else. Go and fix somebody else's AC that came after us. And then after that, he's doing some bits on a truck. Now this is what they do. They make you come, put your car in the garage, and then where can you go? You can't go anywhere because the car's not starting, so you're stuck. So one point I had to turn to him and say, listen, I think Outlaw went to the shop. At one point I turned to him and said, sir, how long is it gonna take? So here the man to me, a long time. Guys, you know how they stay out here, a long time. I said we got people to pick up and people are waiting for us. So here the man to me. Yes, this is about 12 o'clock, you know. At this time it's about 12 o'clock, so we've already been waiting 2 hours. The man said to me, oh, you haven't had no breakfast from morning and blah blah blah. The man took out one big bowl of porridge.
You drink it after
a big cup of porridge. Yeah, he did. And sat down and drank it, but he didn't drink it quickly. Because I said I can't stand there and be getting frustrated and my blood is beginning to boil inside. I had to say something to the man. And then I see him start shuffle about and go on. And then it started to rain. And the man said he can't work in the rain. So that was another faffing about wasting time. But anyway, we give thanks that the car is all sorted out and we are on the move. And you know what, guys? We have the best customers, right? We have the best customers. Because imagine, we were meant to pick our customer up at 10 o'clock this morning. It's now 2:30. We've just finished fixing the car and we are still on our way to the customer in Trelawney.
Waiting.
The customer's waiting for us. Obviously we've been you know, in constant communication, letting them know what's what, and they're like, no man, that's fine, when you reach kind of thing, because I still want to, you know, do something. So, and you know, and they want to use us. So
we will be taking him to the airport tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll take him to the
airport tomorrow. And today is his last day here.
Yeah, we've taken him a few places already. Yeah.
We want to do something.
And you know, I really appreciate it because he could have just jumped in a Juta at the airport and gone about his business. But he decided he's going to wait for us, and even if it's a few hours here or there, he's going to use us. Very loyal, and you know, I give thanks for that. So we're still on our way to Trelawney. Yeah. So this vlog is not going the way that we anticipated because we were meant to be showing you what we're doing today. Half the day's already done. But this is life, you know, things always go according to plan, and whatever little bit we do this late afternoon, we're still going to show you. Yeah. So guys, that's the update. We're back on the road again, giving thanks. I can smile now. I was about to cry earlier, but it's all good.
Cry, baby.
Cry out of anger and frustration, trust me. Oh gosh. Anyway, that's another story. But people, we're thankful and we'll keep you updated soon.
Yeah, you know, me and Jamaican, I understand them.
Yeah.
So we just hold me look for.
Yeah. Jamaica's not for the weak, people. Jamaica is not for the weak in certain aspects. And we saw you. Anyway, yeah.
You know the thing, so just do it for them.
Alright, we're going to keep you posted. See you in a short while. Right guys, so this is where we ended up. Island Village. This vlog was before already. Island Village. Wet day, wet. Where you going? We got margarita. Oh. Yeah, margarita here. Yes guys, so we are at Margaritaville with our guests. Yes, they're having a great time. And yeah, we've just left them alone. So Outlaw and I are here. Let me show you.
I'm not looking. Who's gonna walk away with my prize? I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Who's gonna walk away with my prize?
Hey guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday you would have seen our little dilemma with the car and such, and then we picked up our guests, went to Margaret Villa, as you would have seen. So it's the next day, the following morning. Guys, it's 2:30 in the morning. Look at my eyes, oh my gosh. 2:30 in the morning, say good morning. Yes guys, so 2:30 in the morning. We got home about 10:30 last night. So we haven't had much sleep. It's 2:30. We've been up from I was up from before 2. And we're back on it. So this is the less glamorous side of work, right? This early morning getting up. We've got to go to Trelawney. So we're living from St Mary, go to Trelawney. From Trelawney, go to Kingston Airport. From Kingston Airport, come back to St Mary. So yes, yeah, it's an early start, guys. Like I said, it's 2:30 in the morning. We're leaving here about 3 o'clock this morning. So this is the side that you guys probably don't get to see. This is, like I said, the less glamorous side. And Outlaw's the one who has to feel it the most, I think. Who does feel it the most, because he has to do all the driving. You know. He has to do all the driving. So the pressure's really on him. And so he needs to make sure he gets enough rest, right? Yeah. But yes, guys, it's a very, very early start. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys this side of the tour life of this business. But it's all good. We're still grateful. Yeah. Alright guys, it's 4:15 in the morning, and we are approaching the hotel. So we are at Ocean Coral Spring, and there's Ocean Eden Bay. Yeah, we're about to pick up our guests. Yeah, so we're at Ocean Coral Spring, going to pick up our guests. So it's Ocean Coral Spring and Ocean Eden Bay. Eden Bay is adults only. And then Ocean Coral Spring is, I think, the family side. So here we are.